This is Adam again here with JTech, first semester student, and I'm doing testing or how to use a multimeter and test lighting on this electro-stim trainer. Okay, this right here, I have it set up in series. All right. You also have a light tester here, so you can find out if or find out where the power is. All right. Put your ground. All right. Make sure it's on. You got positive there. You check different spots. There's positive there. On the other side of the switch, there's no positive there. Check the motor's not running. Check here. Check there. Check here. So that's kind of a simple way to use a light test meter. All right. Now, first test I'm going to do is I'm going to go through under this. I'm going to check how to do volt checks. You want to make sure the probes are plugged in right for the volts. All right. You want to make sure it's set for DC volts. All right. You can just do a check. Negative, positive. You have 13.68 volts. All right. Under that right there, you put them in. You can also set the ranges. It'll drop down. Just different ways to look at it. All right. My next step is I'm going to be checking for ohms. So the system has to be isolated to check, or each component has to be isolated in order to check the resistance in ohms. So I'm going to isolate the motor, I'm going to disconnect it from here. All right. The leads are already still set, but I have to turn it to the ohm setting. So I'm going to plug it in here for the motor. All right. Now, when I show just for milli, this shows a 0.1, so I can also switch the range. So if I hit the range, it shows an overload. That's kilo ohms. So as you see, all right, that's one way you can check to see if it's isolated. All right. Next, you can also check for current. Check it right here, but you have to switch the probes over to current. All right, so you can see how much current is flowing through. Alright. You also could do check the voltage drop across the equipment. Okay. Check the voltage drop here. I gotta switch it back to volts. So you can check the voltage drop there. So if I want to pull this out, I can check it right here. It's not showing any voltage drop because it's a switch. And it's like I said before, you can also check under the ohms or different components under this. The switch in ohms. So that will conclude the test. A simple way to use the multimeter and how to conduct a light test on a simple electro-stim trainer. Thanks.